Is your company in the service industry? Are you looking to grow your business? If you answered yes to these questions, then stay tuned. I'm Stacy Flowers with Road to Management, or RTM, and we provide an educational forum to individuals in which our knowledge guides them through the process of property management. Our goal is to give our team members the tools and training they need to succeed in owning or managing any type of rental property. Part of our vision is to have your expertise play a role in helping them accomplish their tasks. We provide training through PowerPoint classes, online, and at live events. We supply attorney-approved forms and in-depth articles that you yourself may submit to our site, and we have a closed Facebook forum where our members can ask questions, give advice, and keep you up to date on the latest state and federal happenings with regards to property management. Here's the best part. Road to Management is in pre-launch mode, and so far, the rest of 2020, your membership will be complimentary. We will offer access to countless investors, real estate professionals, as well as owners, giving you exposure to increase your business, not only through our customer base, but from the referrals they will generate by getting exceptional service. So right now, email us at affiliates@roadtomanagement.com or private message us on Facebook. And let's get you going. There is nothing to lose. It's free. Again, I'm Stacy Flowers with Road to Management. Have a great day.